Okay, let's look at these problems here. They want you to express either the domain or the range in inequalities, okay? So remember that the D in Dixie is domain, and the R in Roy D is range. So because it's the X, that's where it lives on the X-axis, and the Y is where it lives on the Y-axis. So here they give it to you in interval notation, and we're going to put it into inequality. All right, so the best way to remember this is to just put X in the middle. Put your inequality arrows pointing to the left, and then you always put the smallest number on the left and the largest number on the right. So here we have -5 as a small number and 7 as a larger number. And because these brackets are brackets and not parentheses, we're going to put our inequality equal to symbol there, just like that. All right, very good. Let's look at the next one, number 4. Same thing, they're asking you for domain. So we're going to set it up just like so. And the smallest of the two numbers is 4, and the largest is 5. All right, now notice that the parentheses is on 4, so we don't need to put the equal to sign, but the 5 has this bracket, so it gets that. All right, very good. Let's take a look at one with infinity in it. Number 6. We have between -infinity, which is the smallest of any numbers, and then it goes all the way up to -2, which even though it's a very small number, it is the largest in this series. It has a parentheses, so leave the inequality the way it is. And this one has infinity you can never get equal to infinity, so you just leave that one just like so. And there's one other way you can write this. You can simply drop this part and just write x is less than -2. All right. Let's do one more. Let's do the range from 2 to infinity, which is this one right here. All right, so since it's range, instead of doing Dixie, we're going to do Roy. So there's that. And let's look at the smallest number is 2, and the largest number is infinity. All right, so just like on problem number 6 on this one, we can drop the infinity and we can write y is greater than 2. Just keep this portion of it, right? Well, normally the variable is on the left. Here it's on the right. So all we need to do here on this one is to switch it over. So let's swap the y and the 2. And notice how the inequality is opening up towards the y and pointing towards the 2. So there we are. All right, go ahead and try the rest of these, and we'll see everybody in class tomorrow.